What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here in the garage. We have another vehicle for us to work on today. I'll walk you through what we got. So this is a 2010 Honda CR-V. So it's a little older car, and you know, there's some dents and scratches and dings around it, but what the customer wants, you can kind of see it right there on the driver's door. It's a pretty good shot over the body line. You know, it's something that's really noticeable every time you get in the car. So that's what we're going to help them out with. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time. I gave them a price and told them, you know, we'll make it look better, and that's all they want. They don't want to go crazy with this thing, but you could see it's a pretty good shot over the body line. There's another little dent on that door there, and then something like up front here too. You could see a crease, but we'll get started on this. You could see it's pretty high up top of that dent, so we're gonna have to do some tapping, and that bracing runs right there. So I think that's what's going on, is that the caulk that's holding that bracing there is like kind of pushing that top part up. So we might have to cut a little caulk, tap that down, and then just start working it. So let's get going. Okay, we are all finished up with this one. It came out decent. It's not the greatest. I mentioned that in my other videos about, you know, realizing the customer's expectations, what they want to spend, and if you want to put your name to the job. And this isn't one I'm like super proud of or anything like that, but I kind of know someone that referred this customer to me, and they just want it looking nicer. We discussed the price and, you know, went from there. So it's an older car. I understood what the customer was looking for and decided to take the job on. So I'll show you what we have. So you can see the body line's back to the way it was. It's not perfect by any means. There's you know, shimmers and waves here and there, but it's so that when the customer's walking up to the car, that big deep dent isn't there anymore. And I think they're going to be happy with that. If I could spend all day on this and a lot more time and more money, sure, we can make it perfect and looking good. But again, you have to realize what the customer wants, what they're looking for, and, you know, either take the job or turn it down. So I think they'll be happy with it. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, like, subscribe. We'll do some more videos and we'll catch you on the next one.